Hi everyone, Chào. Welcome back to my cooking channel. I'm Dejay, and for those of you that are new to my cooking channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below so that way you can always be notified of my new upcoming videos. Today I'm going to cook a scrumptious, delicious cheesecake for you. It's a raspberry swirl cheesecake. It's a great cheesecake to have during spring or summer. It's very refreshing, so I hope you enjoy it. First, I'm going to run you through the ingredients that I'm going to use for the cheesecake. It's very simple and actually doesn't require many ingredients whatsoever. The first ingredient I'll start you off with is for the biscuit base. So I have 350 grams of a digestive biscuit, also 150 grams of pre-melted butter, 250 grams of cream softened cheese, 395 grams of condensed milk, 2 punnets of pureed raspberries, and we also need just some gelatin powder and some vanilla essence. So first we'll start off by making our biscuit base. Just put all of your digestive biscuits into a food processor. You just process those until you get a nice fine crumb. To our crumb biscuits, we now add 150 grams of pre-melted butter. Here I have a 23 centimetre springform cheesecake tin, and all I've done is I've just greased it with some butter and I've lined it with baking paper. Tip out all your mixture into your prepared tin. And then just using a metal spoon, we're just going to press it around the base of the tin. Just slightly go up onto the sides as well, not all the way up, just about ½ an inch up. Once you've actually completed that and pressed it down nicely and slightly around the sides, now it's ready to go in the fridge, and you need to chill it for about an hour before we put our cheesecake filling in. Now we're going to start putting together the cheesecake filling. First, I have got 3 teaspoons of gelatin powder that I have dissolved in 1/4 cup of hot boiling water. Let it sit and cool for about 3 to 4 minutes before you add it into your cheesecake mixture. So we'll start off with the softened cream cheese. And then to that we add the condensed milk. Then we also add 300 ml of thickened cream. and we also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now just blend all that through for about a minute in your processor. Now to that we add our cooled gelatin. Now we pour the mixture into our pre-chilled biscuit base. Now once you've poured your filling in, now we just slowly pour the raspberry puree on top of that, and we'll swirl it through either using a metal skewer or a wooden skewer, or you can even use just the end of a sharp knife. This now needs to go into the fridge to chill and to set anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. Cheesecake is finished and ready to be eaten. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below and leave a comment, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Ciao!